Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa High Street BGC. And for the first time, ating i-visit itong Toby Sports. E-check natin yung mga updated price ng kanilang mga sapatos. Again guys, if you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe for more updates. So guys, ito yung Toby Sports. Yan, may second floor nga pala sila rito. Itong Toby Sports kung saan makikita yung ibang mga sports apparel, yung ibang sapatos ng Nike, nandito rin pati Adidas. So ngayon i-check natin yung mga ongoing sale ng mga sapatos ng Converse at New Balance. Mamaya naman ipapakita natin yung updated price ng mga sapatos ng Nike at Jordan shoes. So again guys, dating gawin, papakita ko sa inyo yung price sa lower right corner ng ating screen. Ito na yung sale price ng mga sapatos ng Converse. Para pala sa mga available sizes ng mga sapatos, huwag po tayong maya na magtanong sa mga store clerk or store representative na available dito sa Toby Sports flagship store dito sa High Street BGC. Matatagpuan nga pala ito kung sa bandang Central Square. Kung may makikita kayong malaking TV sa Central Square, sa kabila lang yon yung Toby Sports flagship store. Guys, stay tuned lang po tayo sa panonood ng aking vlog. Mamaya papakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga sale price ng New Balance. And then yung updated price ng mga sapatos ng Nike at Jordan. Kaya huwag po tayong mag-leave sa panonood ng video nito. Maraming salamat guys.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So, ngayon guys, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga sale price ng mga sapatos ng New Balance. Kaya stay tuned lang po tayo sa panonood ng aking video.
Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
So ngayon guys, pumunta naman tayo dito sa second floor. Aking ipapakita sa inyo yung mga sapatos or yung mga updated price ng mga sapatos ng Nike at Jordan shoes. Kaya stay tuned lang po tayo sa panonood ng aking vlog. Maraming salamat guys!
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things.
Hello guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog. Again guys, if you're new to my channel, please kindly click on subscribe. Maraming salamat and to God be the glory.